Relax your neck. Okay. And then you're going to stop with the inhales and exhales. Just breathe normally. And then on the count of 3, you're going to take a very deep breath in. And then you're going to exhale. And you must hear yourself exhale on the count of 3. Yourself, how am I breathing for my body? Who are you without your body? Who are you without your body? How close are you to your body or with your body? What is your relationship with your body? Are you friends? Are you family? Are you enemies? Are you lovers? Are you teaching each other? Who's the student? Who's the teacher? Okay, now I need you to listen to your body. As you are meditating, as you are listening to the speak, which part of your body how pretty is this tree?